Page 43, Crazy Quilt. This is a study on using different fingers on repeated notes. Some people enjoy this and they do it a lot. Other people avoid this and they just don't like it. They don't know. I do it a lot. I like it. It helps me stay relaxed. For the exercise, we need to do it as part of the exercise. Let's look this over. It's just one page. 4/4 time, 1 sharp. We're in the key of G majors. Do the G major scale and the E minor scale because it also has 1 sharp. And there are arpeggios. And you'll notice, at least in my book, the printing, the stabs are in waves. I don't know why they're in waves. There's no reason for it. But just in case you run across music where the printing or whatever is kind of wonky, just understand that doesn't affect how you play it. You just pretend it's straight across and you play it the same as it would be there. Right hand, well, again, 4, 3, 2, 1 for the 8th notes. And that's fine. Come down. They want 4 again. I disagree with that. I'm up here. I want to use thumb on the first one. So on the second one, I'm going to do a 1, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 2. Same thing. 1, 3. Now, if it keeps it simple for you, then you can do that at the beginning too. Instead of 4, start with 1. Do 1, 3, 2, 1. But it's good practice to do 4, 3, 2, 1. It's just on the second measure after I've had this half note, I don't want to use 4 again. 4's clear up here. I don't want to come down here. I'm going to use thumb and then 3, 2, 1. Same thing, as long as I'm up here and I got to come down and use thumb for the first one. And that's basically the piece. So I'm only using 4, 3, 2, 1 on the first measure because I didn't have anything before it. And the left hand is just broken chords, which is good because you need to be focusing on the right hand. And play everything connected at first as best you can. Everything, and then once you're satisfied with that, then you can add in the articulation. You connect this left hand all the way. There's nothing, just connect it. Here, lift up, staccato, bump, short, accent, a little extra. And you get that throughout. Dynamics, go to the right hand. They want you to crescendo up to loud. Go up to loud. And then they put an accent on that. You don't need accent and loud both. Take your pick. So just crescendo up to loud. Here. Keep the left hand's in the background. And come down each time. Go back down to moderately loud, back up to loud each time you do this. Don't keep getting louder and louder and louder. As far as the speed goes, animato again is animated. They give you some metronome markings. It's got to be accurate. So it's going to have to be your animato. It's how fast can you do that accurately? And at first, when you do this, you're gonna miss. It can be quite frustrating at first, but I would encourage you to be patient and just keep working at it. It does come eventually. It could be years, but eventually. They've added pedal. I completely disagree with that. I would not use pedal, and if you're going to use pedal, push it down with the notes, and you're only using it for that to enhance the loud part. I completely disagree with it. I would suggest you leave pedal out of this. Do it all without. Just leave pedal out. You don't need it here.